In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use side panels in Notion. Notion is a versatile tool for organizing your life, and understanding how to effectively use side panels can significantly enhance your productivity. Let's dive into how you can make the most out of this feature. Picture yourself working on a main page in Notion. You may be immersing in a huge project or combing through details of a smaller task. Naturally, there comes a point where having a bit more flexibility with your workspace can be a real game changer. That's where side panels come in handy. First, when you're working on a Notion page, you can open a side panel by simply right-clicking on the page you are focused on and selecting Open Inside Peek. Now keep in mind, this option is available only when the feature is enabled. So if you don't immediately see this on your menu, make sure your application is up to date and configured to allow it. The side panel lets you open another page simultaneously, allowing you to easily view or edit without leaving your current workspace. Now let's walk through some of the practical uses of your side panel. If you have a database within Notion, maybe it's a list of projects, tasks, or any other data type you're managing, using the side panel allows you to cross-reference your primary page while actively interacting with your database. For instance, imagine you're updating project statuses on your main screen. With the side panel, you can keep track of deadlines with your calendar database open, providing a seamless overview of how everything relates in real time. Next up is configuration. If you're adjusting settings for pages or databases, being able to see the effects immediately on a side panel saves a lot of toggling back and forth. Let's say you're customizing properties or filters. With a side panel, you can clearly see how your changes manifest without losing sight of simultaneously occurring activities. Moving on to potentially more urgent tasks like tracking down a deleted database, the side panel again comes through. In those instances where something important is accidentally removed, having a side panel open means you can quickly navigate to settings or trash, helpfully displaying lost items while still maintaining focus on your main task at hand. It really is about keeping all essential elements visible right when you need them. Finally, when you're seeking help or further resources, Notion's community and help guides can also be pulled up in the side panel. Accessing support while you continue working hands-free on your main project means that productivity doesn't have to take a hit just because you need a quick answer or tutorial. Overall, utilizing side panels effectively in Notion will enhance your workflow adaptability, enabling you to better navigate between various tasks, databases, and resources with ease. Consider this your new productivity hack for staying organized within any context you're operating. Thank you for joining me and learning about this feature today, and may these insights help streamline all future projects you undertake in Notion.